Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dalton and this is Bertrand Acres. In today's video, we are going to be going over the bad boy Maverick HD right here. I've had a lot of questions on whether or not I would buy this thing again after 6 months of ownership. So that's what we're going to go over, kind of the things I like so far and would I buy it again. And it's crazy because it's been 6 months since I picked this bad boy up. Bad boy is the actual brand as well. So that worked out. Yeah, it's been 6 months since I picked this sucker up from Dothan, Alabama at Southern Outdoor Solutions. And let's get into this. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the bad boy Maverick HD. It's a 2025. It's got a 60-inch deck and it has the FX 730V Kawasaki. This is a great engine. I love Kawasaki. I actually have one on my other zero turn at the warehouse. It is an Aaron's brand, more of a residential. This is more of a commercial. This is more like, I would say, entry-level commercial. Probably a little bit too big for like a standard residential, but this property sits on 10 acres and I have roughly 4.5 acres to mow every time I need to mow. So all of that, and I'll show you in the backyard as well. And I have a bunch of videos here on the channel using this thing, showing you how it does. And I actually put a mulch kit on this thing, so I like the way it cuts even better. I didn't really have a problem before, but I've had a lot of people tell me the mulch kit is the way to go, so I did put that on. I haven't got a lot of use out of it just yet, because again, I've only owned this thing for 6 months, and so that's why I wanted to make this video. I've had a lot of people message me and say, hey, do you still like that thing? Would you buy it again after 6 months? So I'm gonna go over the things I love about this thing. Maybe some things I wouldn't say dislike, but maybe regret in some ways, but overall, I'll go out and say it's a great machine. It hasn't let me down yet, and I don't really have any true complaints. But I ended up putting the Rhino Hide canopy on this thing. I actually didn't get much use out of this because I put it towards the end of the mowing season down here in North Florida. So I am excited to be putting that to use this year because I mowed a lot with this thing just out in the open, and it gets hot here in Florida, so that is going to be really nice for the season coming up. But yeah, here it is. Bad boy Maverick HD. I absolutely love this thing. It's got dual tanks, 6.5 on each side, so you can mow all day, literally all day. I've done it. I mean, I've mowed for like 6 hours straight on this thing. I know that's not all day, but it's a lot of mowing, and I still had a bunch for even the next day. So I absolutely love this thing. Super comfy, like very plush, like that seat, suspension seat, you dial it into your weight. Really, really nice. It's got suspension on the front here. You can see those little like bushing type things. So independent front suspension, and it has those same little shock absorbers in the rear as well. So it bounces right under there. You can see it right there. And yeah, the thing rides incredible. I thought I was gonna be able to get away with using my other zero turn out here, but the moment I brought it out here just to drive it across the field, it destroyed my back because it has no suspension. It just has a seat with a little springs on it. And so it doesn't look very, rough out there, but it, when you're going full speed, you're hitting those little like potholes and divots in the ground, it'll eat you up quick. So this thing has taken care of all of that. I'm not sore when I get done. I'm not old, I'm 33, so I shouldn't be that sore at this age, but I've had back injuries in the past, so I needed something that was really comfy, and this has been that so far. And I do have zero complaints. Now, people were asking me, like I said, would I buy this again? Now, I haven't had any problems with it. Nothing has let me down. I haven't had to fix anything on it. Now, there's not a crazy amount of hours on this thing because I've only had it for like half of a season. But as I use it, I will obviously do update videos. If I have any issues, I will let you guys know. Now, to answer the question, and probably the main reason you clicked on this video, would I buy it again? The answer to that is yes. But it's kind of a two-part. Now, I'm saying yes because it has done everything I've asked it to. It's very comfy. It does everything really well. The price point's great. The only reason I probably wouldn't buy it again would be just my situation. We have a bunch of diesel things on the property. My tractor, mini skid steer, my Duramax here. And so diesel would make more sense for a zero turn as well. This was the first piece of equipment I bought for this property. And so I didn't really think much of it, but if I were to redo it, I probably would find a diesel zero turn. I don't know if Bad Boy has a diesel or not. I would probably go bad boy if they had a diesel, but I'm just gonna kind of stick with it. It's too good. Again, that's just my situation. If you only have one piece of equipment for residential or, you know, relatively big yard, you don't have diesel tractors and skid steers and other diesel equipment, then it's perfect. And I still think it's perfect. It's not a big deal. Now, if I had like half and half, you know, gas, diesel, it could probably be a pain, right? If I had, you know, 6 other diesel machines and 1 gas, it'd be more of a pain. But it's not a big deal because I don't have to mow every week. And this thing, I would say, it kind of just sips fuel. It doesn't blow through fuel. It's got a huge tank. But yeah, guys, I've absolutely loved this thing. I actually enjoy going out and mowing the lawn. I know that'll probably get old after a while because we've only owned this place like 6 months. And so I know there's gonna be times where it probably gets old and I don't wanna have to do it, but I enjoy it. I don't know if I'm ever gonna lose that enjoyment for it. I really like it. And living in this new place, doesn't even feel real yet to me. So, I mean, and it's much prettier here when it's not winter. You know, the grass is kind of all faded and, you know, it looks like it's dead. So there's no mowing right now, but like, we are very blessed to be able to live here. You know, it's a good bit of property to mow. I think there's probably about an acre or so. No, probably half an acre up front that needs to be mowed. And then this section here is probably couple, maybe acre and a half around here, and then around the pond back there is probably another 2 acres or so from there over. It goes a good bit back over there, but yeah, it's not tough. It's not like a, you know, grueling job, especially with that canopy. The canopy makes it really nice. But I'm gonna be mowing a lot this year because it's about to start getting warm. The grass is gonna start coming back. And I'm about to see what it's like during spring and the start of summer because, again, we didn't have this thing till kind of late summer. And so I will keep you guys updated. I'll be giving you guys a lot of zero-turn content. And so if you are interested in that kind of content, stick around. I'm going to be posting a lot more. People seem to like my zero-turn videos, so I will do my best to kind of keep those in the loop for you guys. I didn't think people were going to like, you know, watching me mow lawns or work on my zero turn and things like that, but it seems to be the most popular thing on my channel, so I'm gonna stick with it for you guys. So, but yeah, that is gonna do it, guys. To answer it one more time, absolutely I would buy this thing again. It's gonna come down to your situation. If you have a house with a couple acres, great choice. Even a big property, 5 acres, I think it's a great choice as well. But if you want to try to kind of condense all of your fuel into one fuel, then yeah, maybe you want to go with a diesel, like a Kubota or a Grasshopper, or if Bad Boy has a diesel, go with a Bad Boy diesel. You know, it's all preference. But as far as the machine itself, there is 0 regrets. But that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.